Welcome to the 4-part series where I teach you to buy investment properties by becoming the bank.
Life is what you make it. Life shit been amazing. I can't see a way.
My name is Gene Boykin. I'm the founder of the Go-Getter Family Real Estate Investing Academy. Now, you probably don't believe me, but we don't buy houses, guys. We buy problems. So you've got to stop trying to buy people's house the very first time you meet them. Therefore, I have come up with my A.C.E.S Method, okay? And the A is awareness. Now, follow me on this. People meet us before they actually meet us in person. So how are they becoming aware that you can help them with their real estate problem? Now, truth is universal, so this can be used in any number of scenarios. Any sort of small business owner, and definitely any real estate professional, be it a realtor, property manager, notary, real estate investor, you name it. So we have two ways of awareness, okay? First, there's active lead generation, and you can refer to my 4 P's of investing for active lead generation. Then there's stealth marketing, where we get people to come to us. So we are targeting a specific type of person. So our marketing is going to be aiming at that person so we can attract our perfect prospect. We start with a power statement. So when a person asks me what I do, well, I have a unique way of almost partnering with property owners to help them stop the problems that the regular ways of real estate just can't do. Okay, what we do is help people to put money in their pockets instead of taking it out. And a lot of times we can get that done in as little as 7 days. So how has it been dealing with your lender up to this point? Boom. Business character. Now, this is part 2 of my A.C.E.S method, okay? How to get a person to ask you to take over their mortgage to buy their house from them, okay? C is for credibility and counseling. Now listen to me, guys. We have got to stop trying to buy something from someone or sell something to someone the very first time that we meet them. Truth is, once again, universal. So what we must do in these scenarios is build credibility with these people. Let them understand and know in their hearts that we are competent and capable enough to get them from their pain to their pleasure, all right? Building credibility and then counseling them with this new information and these new solutions that they didn't know existed will have them letting you do anything with that house, mortgage, underlying mortgage or not. Okay, so stop trying to buy their house the very first time that you meet them, and people will be trying to give you their houses, which is why we bought a little over $3 million in real estate in 2023. So part 3 of a 4-part series. Now, as you see behind me, I'm in Cancun, okay, at a beautiful resort in a room with a pool on the roof. So this is what real estate has done for me. Now, this part of my A.C.E.S method, part 3, has been absolutely critical in this process for me. We've already done awareness, credibility, and counseling. Now we're on the E of A.C.E.S, which is education. This is where our skills kick in, and it will take some training to be able to execute this properly, but we are going to educate them based off of their problems and what they want to achieve. We're going to educate them on the types of real estate transactions that we can do that's going to get them from the pain to the pleasure, okay? And by showing them that we are competent and capable enough to actually execute that, they will trust us. And once they trust us, that is when they will ask you to take over their mortgage in order to buy their house, therefore buying an investment property without ever having to qualify for the debt, apply for credit, and you don't need hundreds of thousands of dollars to become wealthy millionaire in real estate, okay? Structure these transactions properly, educate them on how you can solve that problem, and you become a deal architect that gets them from the pain to the pleasure. So part 4 is S in the A.C.E.S method, secure the bag. How do we secure the bag? Well, I'm going to tell you where most people make their first misstep. That is not understanding the paperwork, the contracts. Listen to me here. The pen is mightier than the sword, always has been, always will be. The Go-Getter family has the best contracts in the game. There's no question about that. Toe to toe, we will go up against anyone out there and we're going to win that battle. So in order to secure the bag when you become the bank, there are some primary documents that we use. The first is an information release form. That form is to verify the terms of the mortgage that you'll be taking over. Then you're going to use the standard purchase and sale agreement. That gets the property under control and we can begin to market that property to find our buyer. Therefore, we won't have to spend any money. Then the third one is a limited power of attorney. Limited. It is limited to that property. So we can't go around pulling the plug for people. Okay, it's not that type of party. This is a limited power of attorney. It allows us to be the seller in essence as it pertains to that mortgage and to the conveyance of that property. Okay. The fourth document is the memorandum of contract, our deal insurance. It is a one-page document that is one of the strongest documents in the game. We record that on public record, clouding the title because we have a contract with them. Therefore, they can't turn around, get offered more for the house by another investor, and stop answering our calls and our text messages because somebody offered them $1,000 more. This clouds the title, and if somebody tries to do a transaction and transfer that deed, it's not marketable. They will call us. We charge them a fee, thus deal insurance. So don't forget to like and follow and comment the word Go Getter if you want to learn more about this innovative real estate investing strategy where you can become the bank.